just got up and we just finished from the hotel, and now we're gonna go and we are going to go home. Just got a very long journey back home as well. Let me just show you a little bit. This is the hotel that we stayed in Kaghan. Very beautiful hotel, to be honest. Look at all the people outside. I don't know if you can see them, but they're just having their breakfast. We're gonna get ready and get going. This is the hotel we stayed in overnight. Very nice stay, alhamdulillah. This hotel is in the midst of all the mountains. If you look all around it, there's mountains. We stayed here, very nice hotel. You can see all the mountains right in the grid. Welcome to Kaghan. Oh my eyes. Oh my. You're right, Rouge. Raheem, are you enjoying the views from back there? Because I'm loving it out here. Wow. Mama, if you want some, get some. So we've just stopped at this supermarket, which is in the middle of the mountains, and there's some places to eat here. Look, there's all mountains all around us, and this is the supermarket over there on that side over here. My goodness me. So we're going to this restaurant now here, and it's basically in the middle of water. So let's go see up there where the waterfall is. And you basically sit here and you eat and you enjoy the waterfall as well at the same time, because we're literally in the midst of mountains. He's already sat down. Woo! It's so cold! It's so cold! Oh my gosh. We're actually literally just sat in a restaurant in the middle of a waterfall. In the middle of a waterfall! So we're just getting into it, guys. Got myself a new hat. These are the type of hats that they wear here. So we're just getting into the whole culture of everything. Look at these beads, stand side. Style. But it's icy in the waterfall.
You have to buy the clothes to sit in the car.
No, not inside the waterfall. At the top of the waterfall.
Yeah, at the top of it.
We're just waiting for our food, and then we're gonna eat. Raheem, look here. So we're just gonna have our breakfast, guys. We're still in the waterfall here. So we just finished eating. We're just waiting for our mango milkshakes and our tea, and then we're gonna have our mango milkshakes and our tea, and then we're gonna get going to our next destination. So everyone's just so excited to be here. I'm so excited. We just got our mango milkshake. Will you tell me yours? There you go. Very nice, very fresh. This is amazing. Try your mango milkshake. Would you like it? And the rest of them are having tea, so we want our mango milkshake. Right guys, it's home time, so we're just gonna get going now. Him behind me. Alright, let's go now. Come on. Go that way. I'm gonna go that way. Oh wait, I don't even know which way to go actually. Can you go from there? There we are. And there's the waterfall. We're gonna go out now. Huh?
People onto the bridge.
Candy floss, yeah! So we just got ourselves some candy floss. So you can show me your candy floss. From the guy for 50 rupees. 50 rupees is 20p, guys. So a bag of candy floss for 20p. As always, look at this jeep. So you can hire those out, and they take you on a tour around this area. Yeah.
ये इधर से उतारा इसने अंजीर
ये क्या है?
Anjeer.
अंजीर है। ये इसके साथ क्या करते हो? क्या करते हो? So we're just gonna stop on the side to buy some shawls here. Mom, which one do you want?
एडिमा ये वाला ब्लैक वाला या वो आगे ब्लैक वाला है वो वाइट वाले के साथ
This is where we are, guys, in case you're wondering.
We're blasting this one. Is that?
Mom! This is where we are, guys. Literally on the edge of nowhere. Look at that down there. You can see some water down there. Can you see that water there? There we are. There he is. How shall I come back?